Hello friends, welcome back to Get Data Solution. My name is Sufi. Get Data Solution main purpose are to modernize data system, to save time, to generate automatic report, to reduce costs and increase productivity. Today we are going to see the revenue and the cost performance using combo chart, and what's expected from us. We have to add months and the values, and the graph will be automatically updated. Once you update, add the months and the values, and it will automatically just update here on the right side. We'll insert our data here. For example, currently it has been actually showing for January, February, and March with some values. For example, January 50,000 as a revenue, and the costs with this red line 35,000. Here is in the table, and here is in the graph. For the month of February, 60,000, and the cost is 45,000. For March, 70,000 and 55,000 of the cost, and so on. So as I've already said, we have to add the months and the values, then the graph will be automatically updated. For example, here the data is shown for January, February, and March, but the value is there. If I drag here the months, April and May, it will be displayed here. April and May. I can also add some months, let's say up to December, and if I update the sales and the cost values as well, can you see it? It will actually display here automatically. So we can just do our revenue and cost performance using this combo chart, and we know our performance by months like this one. So actually this graph shows the trend of revenue as well as the cost is increasing from time to time. In the beginning of the month, which is for January, it is 50,000 in terms of the revenue, and 160 in December. Similarly, the cost is 35,000 here, 145,000 in December, and so generally we can actually know our performance in terms of revenue and the cost. In the similar fashion, we can do by our performance using for year. Here it's indicated that for 2018, 50,000 in terms of sales, and the cost is here. Here is in combo chart as well, and the cost and the revenue is indicated up to 2022. If I add some value here for revenue and as well as for cost, here is if I make, for example, I can also write here. Can you see? If I make it 60,000, it shows a trend. If I make it 50,000, so I can write and insert the values in the sales and in the cost column and update the year. Then I will get automatically the chart which shows revenue and cost by year, and using combo charts. So it's also possible to track the revenue and cost using this chart and this table, either by months in this case or by year in this case. So it is very important chart for tracking your performance. Especially this is very useful for business people and organizations which are actually doing their analysis in terms of revenue and the cost. And so it is very important and we recommend it to use it. If you are actually interested in this graph and chart, please consider subscribing to our channel Get Data Solution so that you will actually notified when we upload other videos. Thank you very much for visiting our channel, and bye bye.